Hello everyone, welcome back to Collab with CNG. You must be wondering why am I here outside somewhere in the farm and what's today's video? Well, today's video is going to be a bit different than usual videos. Today is going to be a bit unusual, but today is the 31st of August and on the 31st of August we celebrate Eat Outside Day. So on Eat Outside Day, usually I think it's celebrated spending time eating outside. So we thought, why not, just have some snacks and have a mini picnic outside on the farm. So let's see where we set up our spot, and I'll meet you right back when we are done setting up the spot. And also we'll tell you some good scientific things that why you should be actually eating outside. So let's meet you soon. Hello fam, so this is gonna be the sit out or the hangout for the day. We're gonna have our mini picnic, and well, I've got a starter. So for the starters I've got a smoothie, a pomegranate smoothie. It's quite sweet, but now we're gonna enjoy sitting here and gonna have a bit of drink. So I think while sipping on this, I would like to tell you some points of why you think we should eat outside. So reason number one, I think you can see behind me, it's just a very green. And what does green mean? It's gonna be very soothing. Nature is very soothing and pleasing to the eyes, and green, nature's green is something that will relieve your stress out. So naturally sitting outside will rejuvenate your mind. Can you feel the fresh air like me? I wish you could. But the air here outside is so fresh, so cool, so calm. Why wouldn't you want to eat outside? And it's just the best weather you can have. And I think it's the best time where you can sit outside and enjoy the fresh breeze. So number one, now point two, why do you think we need to have outside? Well, if you didn't know, we are sitting outside spending some good time. Now usually at home we're just seeing things and we really don't get time to physically move and do stuff. But here I have no option but to walk up. If I need to get something, I need to walk up and get down. If you're gonna eat here outside, you bet you need to cook outside. So it's a chance to get physically active. And something else, if you didn't know, if you eat outside, relax your mind here and have some good food, I think why not, you're gonna have a very good sleep. Eating outside really proves that it reduces stress, refreshes your mind and your body, which equivalents to a good night's sleep. And all want the good night's sleep, don't we? What's a good way to continue your snacks with a nice piece of juicy watermelon out in the woods? So So a bit of story time. What do you think this day reminds us of? This day actually reminds us of a very important event. Our ancestors usually used to eat outside in the nature, in the woods. Well, I know it's not possible for everyone to be like me outside in the woods having some good food, in midst of the trees. Definitely in the city it's not possible, but if you could take some time outside and sit on your balcony and remind yourselves of how our ancestors used to eat, and used to spend a lot of quality time with their family and also enjoy the nature's beauty, refreshing themselves out of all the physical labor they did throughout the day, and finally they get to relax and have a meal. So I think this is a very great opportunity for all of us to enjoy some time outside, maybe at our balcony, on our terraces, with the plants, and just enjoy the time.